Okay, I know I drove you guys insane with this, but let's look at it again. Here's the log. If I just do log x, that's what it looks like. But look at the difference if I add the base. So I'm gonna go again, I'm gonna go y equals log. And yes, I want an x, but I have to put a base first, so I'll go here, let me put the base. And we're gonna have a conversation, very quick one-way conversation at that. This is log base 2 of x. See how different it is? Fine. Let's change this to now log base 2 as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make this a negative x. I'm going to do parentheses negative x. Okay, and so that's what I want you to look at. See how that transformation, it flipped it over the y-axis, right? Now, the question I drove you guys slightly batty about was when I put in -2, that's what that should look like. Your -2 should be your asymptote, so this should be where that line intersects. So I don't know why it kept flipping over the wrong axis, but that is the answer to this equation that drove you guys a little crazy, especially in period 2. So, any case, notice that there is a reflection around because about the y-axis because the x is the negative. And then also notice that my origin point shifted over -2 points, which means that I'm actually going to go to the left 2 points. And again, I showed you mathematically why that happens. All right. Now, if there were a vertical shift, so let's go ahead and let's do a +3. All that happens is it goes up 3 units. So if you notice now, my point is intersecting here, and obviously this is one of my points. It's also intersecting here. Okay, so it's not improbable to see a question like this. If I had a simple transformation where I simply had x minus 2, then I'm just simply replicating the same graph, but I'm moving from 1, I'm moving over 1, 2 units. I don't know if you can see that carefully. So this is going from 0, 1, or excuse me, 1, 0. We're skipping 2, 0, and here's 3, 0, and that's your next point. But that is if you're simply transforming it to be x minus 2, okay? So just a quick little video just to reinforce the fact that we're not crazy and all is well, all right?